Okay, next up in our demonstration series of our 3D printed bath bomb molds, we're going to be doing the Among Us little dude. And so he consists of a bottom plate, an outside shell, and a top plunger that has the design on it. So we're going to begin by putting our bottom plate down, and then we're going to put our shell around him and just start lightly filling. Shake, shake, shake. Make sure all that mix gets down into your cracks and crevices. Just fill it just about right up to the top. All right, now we're going to take our plunger with our design, turn it over, stick it on the top, and we're going to give some presses and turn. Take our spoon and give some taps around the outside shell. Tap on the top of the plunger. And remember, this is where your design is, so if you have to tap a little bit more, that's fine. Turn it over and just give a couple of gentle taps on the bottom plate. Straight up and off with our bottom plate. And now we're going to push up on our bottom plunger with our fingers. Grab your cardboard, stick it on the bottom and turn it over. Now we want to go nice and slow because this is where our designs are. We don't want to ruin those. Nice and slow, straight up and off. Okay. I jerked it just a little bit, but that's okay. It still came out fine. So there's our little Among Us dude. If you guys would like to purchase this or any other mold that we offer, you can find these on soap-chef.com. I invite you to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share, comment, and do all of the things.